Hello everyone. First update and open your Telegram. After that, on the top, tap on tier line, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on my stars. Now in this page, on the top, you can see your balance. If you buy any stars, you can see your balance on the top. Also, you can choose any package and buy stars. For example, if you tap on this one, you can use your credit card. Also, in Fragment, you can buy stars with tone and give to any contact you want. Now back, scroll down. Also, in this page, you can see gift stars to friends option. Tap on it. Now you can choose your contact, for example, this one. Now you can choose any package and buy for that contact. For example, this one. Now you can pay and gift for your contact. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.